Hey, I'm Anthony Gagliardi. We're here at ICAST 2017 opening day. Really excited. I'm here at the Batson Enterprises booth, which is where I get all my components for my own personal line of rods, level rods. This rod is utilized with Batson components, like I said, RainShadow Blank. And, we've been building rods for about 3 years now, and I've always been on the other side of the spectrum when it comes to that. I've always been on the fishing side of the industry, and now being able to be on the side that's producing product to fishermen, it's been eye-opening to me. I've learned a lot about the rod business, learned a lot about building rods, and I've been able to incorporate what I feel like I've learned over 18 years now, fishing with different rods. I've incorporated that into the design of my own rods. So, I've personally designed each and every rod, actions, guide setups, grips, reel seats, everything it has my personal touch on it, and I'm really excited to be here in 2017. We have a couple new models that we're kind of showcasing. This is a 7'3" heavy, which has been a really good seller for us. It's a really good jig rod, a really good frog rod. If you want to skip a jig under docks or skip a hollow body frog under docks, it's been really good for that. But all the rods, pretty much it's a custom rod. We're utilizing Batson components, and we're getting them handmade here in the United States and Texas. We got a couple spinning rods here as well that that have been really good sellers and really good producers for me. I did one that's actually, let me grab it real quick. This is a long rod. It's a 7'4" medium light. It's got a really fast tip on it. It's not classified as extra fast, but it's pretty close to an extra fast. And initially, I had designed this rod with intentions of having something I could take up north, catch smallmouth on light line. I like using a lot of light line 4, 5, 6, 8 pound test, and just always have liked a longer rod for fishing for smallmouth. But the more I've used this one, and the more other people have gotten their hands on it and used it, it's just become one of the most versatile spinning rods that I've ever had. And I've done anything from single swim baits on light line to throwing a floating worm. I've caught a lot of fish on a floating worm. I've caught a lot of fish on shaky head, light Texas rigs, and it's been one of those rods that it really surprised me, and it's a lot of fun when that happens, and it's a lot of fun when people buy rods and they come back and say, man, I didn't know I could use it for this, or I bought it for this and I'm using it for all these other things now, and that's really cool to hear. And it's one of my goals when I started this company was just to just incorporate my knowledge and what I thought different techniques, how rods needed to be for certain techniques. I knew that everybody's different. You can't build something that's going to appeal to everybody and appease everybody and what they're looking for. But we've got a couple models that I'm really proud of, that just have been really well received in among the fishermen that have bought them. And just really versatile rods, which is that's what we're after. So produce something that you can use to compete at the highest level. I'm using these rods at the highest level in the sport. At the same time, the guy that's fishing this weekend terms, he can go in and buy them and enjoy that same satisfaction, the same performance from those rods. So, real excited to be here and show these rods at ICAST 2017.